In this video I want to show you a tool that's perfect for disassembling and assembling the nib unit of antique Montblanc fountain pens. However, there are some important things to keep in mind to avoid any damage. Moin moin und hallo and welcome to MS Pens. Let's talk about the compatibility of this nib tool. It's designed to fit with antique Montblanc fountain pens that have the mounting slits above and below the nib like in the picture. As you can see, there are different sizes available, 2, 4, 6 and 9. Each fountain pen size needs its own tool. For example, the size 2 fits the 142 masterpieces, while the size 9 tool is for the 149 masterpieces. It's important to note that you will need a separate tool for each size. This nib tool is compatible with various Montblanc models manufactured from the mid-1950s to the mid-1990s. More information about the suitable models you can find on my website. Now, let's move on to using the nib tool. The first step is to ensure your fountain pen is clean, especially the nib area. You can achieve this by soaking the pen in lukewarm water for several hours or using an ultrasonic cleaner. Carefully and straightly position the nib tool, attempting to unscrew the nib unit. Ensure that both prongs of the tool are securely placed in the mounting slits to prevent any damage to the nib unit. Avoid applying excessive force as it may lead to breakage. If the nib unit seems stuck, place the pen back into the water to dissolve any dried ink residue. Unscrew the nib unit once it's loose, allowing you to perform the desired maintenance such as an intensive cleaning or nib replacement. After the maintenance is completed, proceed to seal the thread of the nib unit using sealing wax or other appropriate sealing materials. Then, heat the sealing wax with a hot air blower until it becomes liquid and ensure proper distribution on the thread. Finally, the nib unit only has to be carefully screwed into the grip unit. The nib tool is a valuable aid for maintaining and restoring antique Montblanc fountain pens. By following these step-by-step instructions and exercising caution, you can confidently disassemble and reassemble the nib unit. Please note that it is quite possible that the nib unit cannot be unscrewed, despite long cleaning. Especially with the celluloid masterpieces, it can happen that the grip unit has shrunk so much over the years that it is impossible to unscrew the nib unit. Please also note that there are tools designed differently than this, or that there are also people who use modified tweezers or pliers to unscrew the nib unit. The work steps described in this video remain the same. Thank you for watching. For more content about Montblanc restoration, you are welcome to subscribe to my channel or check out my homepage.